Welcome to this quick guide on getting started with Threads, the new text-based conversation app from Meta. Let's dive in and explore how you can connect with your audience. The first step is to download the Threads app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app. You'll see an option to sign up using your existing Instagram account. This makes the process seamless, linking your Threads profile to your established Instagram presence. You'll be prompted to set up your Threads profile. You can choose to import your Instagram bio and profile picture, or customize them to create a unique identity for your Threads presence. Now you're in the feed. This is where you'll see posts from people you follow and discover trending conversations. You can scroll through, read what others are sharing, and engage with their content by liking or replying. To share your own thoughts, tap the Compose button. Usually a plus icon, a text editor will appear, allowing you to type your message. You can also add photos or links to enrich your posts. Looking for something specific or want to find new people to follow? Use the search bar at the bottom of the screen. You can search for keywords, topics, or specific users to expand your network. Keep an eye on your activity tab, often represented by a heart icon. This is where you'll see notifications about likes, replies, and mentions of your posts, helping you stay engaged with your community. And there you have it. You're now ready to participate in the vibrant world of Threads. Start sharing your insights, connecting with others, and join the real-time conversations happening now. Happy threading!